have always been into design and drawing. I was a pretty creative child growing up. My mother studied architecture. She didn't complete it fully, so I thought it was my time to venture. We have a lot of great alumni that have worked at very prestigious firms in various cities. They bring a lot of different perspectives. The city is great. You have a lot of great architecture as well. So once you're out of the building, you can go check out some really cool architecture. Starting university, I told myself that I wanted to find myself in rooms where I didn't belong, because that's where the most amount of learning happens. And in my freshman year, I decided to join student government as a senator for the School of Architecture. And now I'm president. I discovered a different version of myself, which is a very extroverted version of myself. UWM has helped me prepare for my career by giving me opportunities to network with professionals in the city. And it was at one of these networking events that I met someone that worked at Rinca. When it was time to apply, I reached out to him, and then that led to an internship. I'm going to continue working here full-time after graduation.